How to get sound ID on Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Roblox, click on Create located at top, which is beside Marketplace and Roblox. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Store. In Store, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Audio, which is beside Plugins and Fonts. You will find different audios. You can search audio or simply discover. Scroll down. After you've scrolled down, you can hear audio from here. If you want this audio, click on More Info. As we want Sound ID, click on More Info and you will find this kind of screen pop up. At your search bar beside Asset, you will find the Sound ID. Simply select that and copy. After that, simply paste on Sound ID board on Roblox Studio and you're good to go. This is how to get Sound ID on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.